Welcome all of you. BSc third semester 6 inorganic chemistry. Topic chemistry of F block elements. Today we will see the second part of this topic, that is B part, called actinides. Last few lectures we shall completed of this topic part A, that is lanthanides. Now we will see B part of this topic is actinides. In this topic we will see some points, that is introduction, position of actinides in the periodic table, next one electronic configuration. First of all, see the introductory part of actinides. Nowadays world is facing energy crisis. Atomic energy is one of the main energy source. For this purpose, study of actinides becomes enormous. The 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium followed by actinium in the periodic table. Hence, they are called actinones or actinides. From thorium to lawrencium, called as actinides. Okay. In these elements, addition of electrons takes place in 5f, that is n-2 subshell. Therefore, they are called 5f block elements or second inner transition elements. Here, the elements after uranium in the periodic table are called transuranic elements. After uranium, the elements are called trans. Trans means after. Transuranic elements. Like other elements, they do not exist in nature. They are prepared by nuclear reactions, so they are called man-made or synthetic elements. Their position in the periodic table is discussed below. So introductory part of these actinides, that is the elements, that is actinides contains 14 elements. First element, that is thorium, and last element is lawrencium. They are called as actinides. And the elements after uranium in the periodic table called as transuranic elements. And some transuranic elements, some exist in nature, but some are prepared by nuclear reactions, so are called man-made or synthetic elements. Okay. Next. Next point, that is position in the periodic table, that is position of the actinides in the periodic table. In the periodic table, actinides also with actinium are placed in one square of third B, that is third group, and seventh period. To give justice to every element, it should be allotted a separate square. They are placed at the bottom of the periodic table as a separate row. They are placed in one and the same square because if a separate square is given to the actinide, then the length of the seventh period will be extended much more and will destroy the charm and symmetry of the periodic table. Hence, they are placed between rhenium and rutherfordium. All of them have common +3 oxidation state. They are placed after francium and radium, which belongs to S block elements. Next position, that is they may act as a bridge between S and D block elements. Thus, the position of the actinides in the periodic table is unchangeable. Now, next point is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of these elements may be given by radon Rn 5Fx 6D0 or 1 7s2, where x is equal to 1 to 14. It is predicted on the basis of energy level, sequence, recent studies, and summarized in the following table. From this electronic configuration, following points may be made. They have 3 incomplete outer shells, 5th, 6th and 7th. Second point, they occupy place between rhenium Ra, radium Ra and rutherfordium Rf in the periodic table. There is addition of successive electrons in the 5F sub-energy level along the series with few exceptions. We expect that 5F orbitals are filled as per lanthanides, that is 5F1 to 5F14, but in first 4 actinides, thorium, protactinium, uranium and neptunium, that is TH, PA, U, NP. Difference in energy between 5F and 6d orbitals is small. Hence, in these elements, electrons may fill in either 5F or 6d or both. Further, electrons are filled in 5F after plutonium. Next, fourth one, the outermost orbitals 7s has same electronic configuration while 6d has 0 to 1 electron with exception, that is thorium TH 6d2. Next, number 5. In thorium, 1 electron from 5F is transferred to 6d orbitals. Plutonium has electronic configuration 5F6 6d0 7s2. Hence, 1 electron is shifted from 6d to 5F orbital. In americium, observed electronic configuration is 5F7 6d0 and 7s2. It has extra stability due to half-filled 5F level. Also in curium, incoming electrons gets added in 6d orbital instead of 5. From berkelium to nobelium, incoming electrons are added in 5F sublevel. In berkelium BK, it seems that 1 electron from 6d is shifted to 5F level. So, this is the table shows electronic configuration of actinides. First element called as actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium and lawrencium. So the symbol, that is actinium AC, thorium TH, protactinium PA, uranium U, neptunium NP, plutonium PU, americium AM, CM, that is curium, BK, that is berkelium, CF, that is californium, einsteinium ES, fermium FM, mendelevium MD, nobelium No, that is capital N small o, and lawrencium symbol is Lr or Lw. So starting the atomic number is 89, from 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102 and 103. That is last lawrencium contains 103. Now electronic configuration of 5F0 6D1 7S2 AC. Next 5F0 6D2 7S2. Here protactinium contains 5F2 6D1 and 7S2. Okay. Next uranium 5F3 6D1, 5F4 5F6 6D0 and 7S2. Here 5F6 6D0 and 7S2. D orbital becomes empty, that is, so F orbital contains 6. Now americium 5F7 6D0 7S2. Curium contains 5F7, not 5F8, because curium, this is F orbital contains half filled electrons, so it is more stable. Like this, 5F10, 5F11, 5F12, 5F13, 5F14, and lawrencium contains 5F14 6D1 because completely filled orbital, so extra stability due to completely filled F orbital. Okay. Now this is the electronic configuration of actinides from AC to lawrencium Lr. Okay. Next, another introductive electronic configuration, introduction of this electronic configuration. In lawrencium, the incoming electron goes to 6D sublevel since 5F is completely filled. Next, as the number of electrons in outermost shell and penultimate shell remains the same, all these elements resemble closely with one another.